Hi guys, I'm Landon. Today we're going to be birding at Barnegat Lighthouse State Park in New Jersey. Let's go see what we can find. Some big icicles over there. Barnegat Lighthouse is located on the northern tip of Long Beach Island, New Jersey. The lighthouse is a staggering 172 feet tall and it was commissioned on January 1st, 1859. Today we are on a journey to see how many seabirds we can find. Let's get birding. Almost immediately upon arrival, we spotted some brant. The brant is a type of goose that lives on coastal North America, Asia, and Europe. The brant even possesses a highly developed gland that allows it to drink saltwater. In the distance, we even spotted a merlin. Some of the more common birds we spotted were herring gull, red-breasted merganser, and long-tailed ducks. We then spotted some purple sandpipers. Purple sandpipers live in North America, Europe, and Russia. We also checked off red-throated loon from the list. We even caught this turnstone slipping on a rock, showing how not even the birds are safe from slipping. In the middle of the sea, we spotted the giant great cormorant. While perilously hiking on the slippery, icy rocks, we spotted some harlequin ducks. Harlequin ducks are very social birds found in East Asia, North America, and Iceland. We also think this is a female common eider. Let us know what you think in the comments. Way in the distance, we spotted a male common eider and some more harlequin ducks. We also spotted this white-winged scoter, which can hold its breath for almost 1 minute. We then found this Ipswich sparrow, which is a subspecies of the savanna sparrow that is larger and paler. We then stopped at a local restaurant to grab a bite to eat. Okay guys, we're currently at Klugel's to get a little lunch. Yeah, guys, I didn't know whether to be concerned or fascinated.
Guys, look at this. I think I saw.
I hope you enjoyed watching my first video. I'd like to thank Ryan Trahan and Badgerland Birding, as they have both been a huge inspiration for the channel. Be sure to let me know what you think of the video in the comments. Be sure to subscribe and be sure to stay tuned for upcoming content. See ya!